Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dryer Air Duct Assembly. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Dryer Air Duct Assembly. The Dryer Air Duct Assembly is where the lint screen sits. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged somewhere and it needs to be replaced. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dryer. First thing we're going to do is lift the top up. We're going to take a putty knife and go about 3.5 inches in and release the spring clip. Once you push it in, you can twist it and lift up on the top, and then we can do the other one. Once you have both the clips released, we can lift the top back and set it against the wall. Now we can take the wires off the door switch. You want to remember where yours go. On ours it's black and yellow, gray, and white. If you have to, you can also use a small screwdriver to help pop the wires off. Sometimes they're on there pretty tight. Now that we have the wires off, we can remove the two 5/16 screws that hold the front panel on. We're going to use our nut driver to take them out. There's one on each side. With those screws out, we can lower the front panel down away from the dryer. It just sits on two mounting tabs at the bottom. All you have to do is lift it off and set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we can use a small Phillips screwdriver to take the air duct out. The screws are inside the drum, so we're going to reach inside and take them out. Once you have all the screws out, we can pull the air duct out. Here's the old air duct assembly next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. You notice that the air duct has these cutouts for the auto dry sensors. If you have those, you will have to take the wires off before you take the duct out, and you're going to just have to switch these over to the new duct. To put the air duct assembly in, you want to put the big opening down onto the blower housing and line it up. Once you have it lined up, you can push it on so we can put the screws back in. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to reach in and put them in. The holes for the screws on the new blower housing don't come threaded, so the screws may be hard to put in. Now that we have the screws in, we can put the front panel back on. To put the front panel back on, all you have to do is set it down on those two mounting brackets at the bottom of the machine. Once you have them both on, we can swing the panel up and put the screws back in that hold it in place. Now we can put the one in on the other side. Now that we have the front panel back on, we can reconnect the wires to the door switch. All you have to do is reconnect the wires in the same order you took them off. Ours was the white one here, the gray one was in the middle, and the black and yellow one was on this one. With the front panel back on, we can lower the top down. On this particular model, there's 4 locating pins that you have to make sure the top goes down onto before you snap it into place. So we're going to lower it down and line up the pins. Once you have them lined up, you can push the panel down and lock it in place. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.